Hi, my name's Chris. I'm a bike tech at Lectric e-bikes, and today we will be installing a rear rack on an XP Lite. To get started, you will need a 5mm Allen key, 4mm Allen key, side cutters, adjustable crescent wrench, the rear rack, and included hardware. To get started, you will need to remove the light plate off the back of the bike. You will need to cut the zip tie holding the quick plug in place. Next, we will be pulling the rear light quick plug out, and be sure to pull out straight, not to twist. Next, using your 4mm Allen key, you will need to unscrew the plate from the frame. Be sure to hold on to these bolts. Once the plate is removed, use an adjustable crescent wrench to remove the bolts holding the light onto the light plate. It is important not to lose these bolts, as you will need them to connect the light to the back rack. You can set the light aside for now. Next, we're going to take the back rack and line up the holes on the rack with the side of the frame. Screw in the longer of the 5mm screws to the front two holes and the shorter of the two into the back. Repeat on the other side. Once the bolts are in place, securely tighten with the 5mm Allen key. Once the rack is in place, time to secure the light on the back of the rack. Using the two bolts you removed from the light and the light plate, attach the light to the underside of the rack with your crescent wrench. In the box, you received an extended light cable and some zip ties. First, attach the extended light cable to the light, then attach the other end to the quick plug coming out of the bike. Feed the extension around the motor cable to secure, then attach the end of the quick plug coming out of the bike. Line up the cable in the groove, then use the zip tie to secure the cable to the rack. Do the same thing on the lower part. Also, cut the two forward zip ties securing the motor cable. Using the remaining zip ties, resecure the light cable and the motor cable to the grooves on the frame. Finally, you'll need to insert the 4mm screws and the washers onto the holes on the top of the rack. Now your back rack is installed and ready to go. If you have any questions, feel free to contact our customer service team.